This shit is comfortable. You come and try it. Come and sit. What do you think of it? John Karlsson.
Now here are the dimensions of the seat. This is exactly what you're going to get when you order for it. Now I believe this chair is going to give you maximum comfort when you sit on it. I've experienced it myself. I went over to the store and had a try on it before. And your body is going to enjoy top-notch support. Now some of the key points here, you can adjust the height of the chair, neck, armrest to sit really comfy. Now this chair is selling at IKEA. It was designed by John Karlsson. It's actually also gonna cost you 1000 RMB roughly, so you'll get your package in a box and you'll have to assemble it yourself, probably if you have a friend who could help you. And the good thing, this comes with a manual, so you can follow the manual up. So you're gonna assemble that. You can see the back has a mesh kind of material, so this also helps airflow as you're gaming. This looks like a pretty simple process. I ordered for mine. I'm actually waiting for it to be delivered. Maximum comfort, I believe, is what you're gonna get from this MATCHSPEL gaming chair. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, share the video, leave a comment, like the video. This really helps out with the video, and hope to see you next time in another video. Catch you soon.